Did you know that over 30% of Americans are deficient in at least one key vitamin? A good multivitamin can be a total game changer. Today, we're diving into the benefits of multivitamins. So, let's find out. Are multivitamins good for you? Your body requires a variety of vitamins to function properly. Ideally, a balanced diet provides these necessary nutrients. However, there are specific situations where a multivitamin supplement can be beneficial. Lifestyle problems. Regular exercise is important, but if your workouts frequently occur indoors and you limit sun exposure, you may be at risk for a vitamin D deficiency. A multivitamin can help address this potential shortfall. Here's a pro tip. If a multivitamin label says 100% DV for vitamin D, that means one serving gives you all the vitamin D most people need in a day. This is based on eating around 2,000 calories. If you eat way more or way less than that, you should consider regulating the servings of vitamin D pills. Dietary restrictions. Individuals who follow vegetarian or vegan diets may need to supplement with vitamin B12, commonly found in meat. Similarly, those with citrus allergies can experience difficulty obtaining vitamin C. A multivitamin may help compensate for these dietary limitations and potentially save you from some awkward dinner party conversations about where you get your protein. Health conditions. In some cases, health conditions can hinder your body's ability to absorb or produce certain vitamins. Consulting with a healthcare professional can determine if a multivitamin could be beneficial to address any deficiencies, and may even spare you from trying to eat things your doctor would strongly advise against. There can be more special cases for the need of multivitamins. You might need a multivitamin if you're pregnant or might become pregnant. Doctors usually recommend special parental vitamins for healthy pregnancies. If you're a woman post-menopause, you might need extra calcium and vitamin D for strong bones. If you're over 50, it gets harder to absorb stuff like vitamin B12 as you age. A multivitamin for extra B12 can surely help. If you take certain medications, some meds can mess with your body's abilities to use vitamins and minerals, and that's when you might want specific vitamin supplements. But in this case, you should discuss with the doctor to choose the right supplement. It's time for a quick fact. Your body flushes out a good chunk of this expensive multivitamin, sometimes making your pee bright yellow in color. This is mostly due to water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and B vitamins, which your body uses what it needs and excretes the rest. So what do you think about adding multivitamins to your diet? Tell us in the comments. Stay tuned because we'll be discussing the in-depth mechanism of multivitamins in the upcoming video. Bye!